Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be checking about how to use CapCut Premium for free. That is how to use CapCut Pro. So you just go to your CapCut like this. If you want to sign in, fine. If you want to sign in, I will just go ahead without signing in like this. So click on export. Then you export your video like this. So I want to use this video. So the first thing you're going to do, guys, is going to apply some pro features. Like I want to enhance this. I want to enhance the voice. So as you can see, this is a pro, which is a pro premium features. So just enable it. So just wait for a JVR. So it has applied now. So I'll just try another feature like filter. I'll just try filter, one pro filter. Just apply it. Just quickly go through them to see the one that's okay. I think I kind of like that one. Oh, let's see another one. See another one. Show. Okay, I think I'll just choose this one. Just choose this one, and then I'll adjust the quality to Ultra HD. This is also a premium. We can see the Pro features Ultra HD. It improves the quality of the video. So this, I'll just wait for it to apply. So just wait for the Ultra HD to apply on the video. So I'm just gonna apply soon. I think it's my network. Doesn't take this long. Okay, so it has finished applying on the video. As you can see, this video look better than the original video. So as you can see, this looks. So let me just play it. Start it.
So let's try to export this to see if it's gonna export. So I'll just try it out. So as you can see, it's telling us to upgrade to Pro to use this. So how do you use CapCut Pro? So you just go to your Google Play Store and search for XRecorder. So I'm gonna show you. Just type XRecorder. So just search it. See. So you can see that's it. So I already have it on my phone, so I'll just update. With your own case, you have to download. As you can see, that's it. Don't mistake, it's very simple. Just the one I circled for you, see. So once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do when you've downloaded this is to upload it, open it rather. So when you open it, so this is the interface. This is how it's going to look like. So now come over to the settings. Just click on the settings on the bottom corner. Then you make sure you copy all these settings I did here. Ensure all these settings I did here. Ensure you copy them. So particularly, you see the one I'm going to sample for you right now. Ensure that particular one is ticked. Ensure you tick them. It's very, very important. This one I sampled. Ensure you tick them one by one, because it's very important you understand why when as the video goes on. Because we don't want let me just tell you that we don't want our floating icon by the side of your screen or your phone. So done with this, the next thing you have to do is go back to your CapCut, then click on that circle listing to make the video, to make it show in full. Do you understand? Make your video show in full like this. Then just swipe down and click on record. Swipe down your screen, you see this automatically. After doing that setting, just click on record, then your video will start recording. It's that simple. Ensure you click on that icon I showed you, then it will make your video appear full. Do you understand? So then you start recording. So once you're done recording, just swipe down again and click on stop. So your video will stop. Then the next thing you're going to do is go back to that your X recorder like this. Once you get there, you see that pencil icon I circled. Just click on it. Click on that pencil icon. Then it's going to take you here. Click on the pencil icon at the top again. Just click on that top, the one at the top. Click on it again. Then it's going to bring you here. So click on the that crop icon. Click on it. Then it's going to crop the video. You can see, just crop the video. Ensure you crop it very well to appear like this. Yeah, I'm doing. Ensure you crop out the parts you don't need from the video. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do now is to trim the video. So just click on, you see that trim, just click on it and trim the video. Do you understand? So as you can see, everything looks good. I just play the video for you to hear or to see, and it looks good. So the next thing now is for us to trim the video, to cut out the parts we don't need from the video. So just click on the trim, like I said. So just click out the parts with the ending and the ending of the video that we don't need. I'll just trim it out from this video. Let's trim it out. See the way I'm doing. If you're not familiar with it, it's very, very simple. You can do it yourself. So I'll just trim it out. Ensure you play the video to sure. So once you're done, you just save the video. You save the video, and then that's all. So just save the video. Just wait for a video to save. Just hold on for the video to save. So once you save the video, we're going to play it to hear or to see how it looks like. So I'll just play the video and see. So I just played the video. So I'm sure you noticed something. What you should notice is the sound of the video is different from the original video. So I'll play the original video for you to hear the sound now. As you can see, the quality of sound are clearly different. So to fix this, we are going to go back to CapCut. So just go back to CapCut. So when you get to CapCut, you just import that video. The video you saved from XRecorder, just import it here. You can see this is it right here. So what you're going to do now is to mute the audio on this. Just see that circle icon. That's a mute. Just mute it. Mute the original audio from this video. So once you've done that, you click on add audio. So click on it, add audio. It's going to take you here. Click on extract. So click on extract, allow. So it's going to take it to your phone gallery like this. So now you're going to search for the original video, not the one you edited. The original video you edited. That's the original one. Search for it on your phone. Now click on the original one that has the original sound. So this is it for my. So I'll just click on extract. It will extract the original sound from that video here on this my edited video. So now let me play it for you to see how it sounds. So as you can see, it sounds good and the audio is better. So let's try to export. So as you can see, it's exporting. There's no issue. It's finished exporting. So let's play the video to see how it sounds. Let's see what we've done so far.
Okay guys, everything looks good. I can see, if you notice, the video is lagging, but I think it's because I'm recording it. When I played it on my phone, it's not lagging, everything looks fine. So that is how to use CapCut Premium, guys, for free. Guys, this is it before and after. This is after editing the video. As you can see, it's very, very clear. Then this is the before. This is the one. This is the original video. This is the after. As you can see, the difference is very, very clear. So guys, that is how to use CapCut Premium for free without having to go through any issues of exporting your videos. So guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remember I said I'll be dropping a lot of quality content there, so ensure you subscribe so you don't miss out. So guys, see you in the next video.